is the cost of laser hair removal? Well, you can pay for the laser hair removal each time you come, a pay-as-you-play, and that's dependent upon large zone, medium zone, small zone. Large zones generally, depending on the clinic you go to, will cost you anywhere from $200 to $300 to $500, depending on the kind of technology that's used on your skin and how many wavelengths. Medium zones are in that $200 to $400 range, and small zones anywhere from $99 to $199. But generally, most patients come, they have a consultation, we assess their skin, advise the different wavelengths and lasers, because it's multiple lasers, to get the best result for them. And they buy a package. When you buy a package, you can save up to 20%. And most patients will buy a package of 5 laser hair removal treatments. Is there any guarantee with that package? Well, we guarantee you one thing. Well, several things. At Spa Medica, you're going to get the best possible number of wavelengths, the multiple laser approach to permanent reduction optimization. So whatever result you get will be the best you can possibly get, because we give you every wavelength and multiple lasers. So some people are just made to be a bit hairy. We can hit those hair follicles over and over, and maybe you never get any better than 60 or 70% reduction. We will guarantee you, if we have less than 50% permanent reduction after 5 treatments, we're going to give you a complimentary hair removal treatment. I will guarantee one other thing. If you have gray, blonde, or white hair, you're just not a good candidate. So you're also going to get properly selected at Spa Medica to make sure you will get the best possible result. So how do you know if you should be expected to get a good result with laser hair removal? Well, sometimes you just don't know what kind of permanent reduction you're going to get. But here's a broad outline of what makes a good candidate. Again, realistic expectations, no medical illnesses, you're not pregnant, you don't have uncontrolled medical illnesses. So let's just say that's you. Now, who gets a good result? In general, light skin with dark hair. Light skin with dark hair gets the best results. Then we can use the most aggressive lasers and wavelengths, like the Alexandrite 755 nanometer, the 810 nanometer diodes. We can double down on those 2 wavelengths. We can use the same wavelength and same pulse form. So you can expect the best result if you have white skin and dark hair. But if you have white skin and blonde hair, white skin and red hair, or white skin and gray hair, expect not to get good results. Even to the point where after 20 years in the laser hair removal business, longest than anyone else in the country, we are often going to say no if you're not a good candidate. I'd rather at Spa Medica not take your money and you be unhappy than mislead you and think that your gray, blonde, or red hair is going to get a good result. Depilation, waxing, that's the modality for you. Now, if you have brown skin, Asian, Hispanic, Mediterranean, and dark hair, you're going to get a good result as well. But we have to be cautious, because you have brown melanin in your skin competing with the melanin or pigment in your hair shaft. And so we use the 810 diode laser family. We've got 4 or 5 of those, and the neodymium YAG 1064 for brown skin with dark hair. The trickiest of all are the dark skin with dark hair, because patients have so much melanin in their skin that's competing with the laser for the hair, and if we're not cautious or have the right technology, you might get a burn. So generally we use the 1064 nanometer neodymium YAG, or the combinations of the diode 810 and YAG for dark skin, dark hair. The good thing at Spa Medica, we have the best cooling systems out there for dark skin. Cryogen spray, air chiller, topical, and we have 2 or 3 different YAGs that allow us pulse duration capability. So we will adapt the technology to your skin. You need multiple wavelengths, and if you have gray, blonde, or red hair, you're not a good candidate. White skin or dark skin with dark colored shafts, brown or black, we can get great results. Just remember, if you're liking the information in this educational video and you want more, check out the podcast in the resource box for more information on all these topics.